Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you all are doing very well and I'm also doing well. No more late, let's start the video. So I went to Grabe Kupa, which is located in Sector 3, Uttara Dhaka. আমার একজন বন্ধুর সঙ্গে কথোপকথন হচ্ছিল, তখন আমার বন্ধু বলল যে গ্র্যাবে কুপা খুবই ভালো একটি জায়গা, এখানকার র্যামেন খুবই মজাদার লেগেছে ওর কাছে। সুতরাং আমিও খেতে চলে এসেছি গ্র্যাবে কুপাতে। লেটস সি হাউ ইট টেস্টস। And the interior was really amazing. I'm amazed by their decoration and everything. Especially, it also gave me a really vintage vibrant, and they were also playing soothing music, which was really peaceful. গ্র্যাবে কুপাতে আরো অনেক ধরনের আইটেমস আছে যেগুলো খুবই টেস্টফুল। You can also choose something sweet or something spicy. It depends on you, and you can choose through menu card. Also ওদের ফেসবুক পেজও আছে যার মাধ্যমে আপনারা চুজ করতে পারবেন। I have also ordered a drink from them. The drink was really good looking, and I would like to call it Blue Ocean because it seemed to me like a blue ocean. But yes, it also has a unique name, and you have to search it through menu card. So don't be late. Go and search it. Alright, now I'm gonna have this ramen, and you can see how much luscious it's looking, and you can see me now, and I'm gonna have this ramen through chopsticks. You can also use fork if you don't know how to use chopsticks, but don't never use your hands because it will look so weird anyways. And I'm having the soup through the spoon. In my opinion, the ramen was actually tasty. The spice level was really balanced. খুব ঝালও না আবার মিষ্টি স্বাদও না। Like Samyang এর রামেনে একটু ঝাল একটু মিষ্টি স্বাদ একসাথে থাকে, which is also good. But for me, this one is better. So you guys also should come over here and try this out. And as I said, the interior was really amazing. So I didn't forget to take pictures. Also, you guys should come and take pictures there because in the background is really good. So that's all for today, and I hope you guys are having amazing time with your family and friends. Keep praying for me. See you soon, and keep loving All Rounder 9.